Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you how I got this like soft matte look. I don't know why I really like this look, because recently I've been not feeling my makeup, but I actually really like this. And also I have a matte lip, so it's like a little weird because I've never done that. I mean, well, I used to do it in the past, but I stopped doing it and stopped using only gloss. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy the video. Please like it, comment, and subscribe. And even turn on your post notifications so you get notified every time I post a video. Yes. And yeah, the hair I have in my head is from You Liar Hair. I'm going to have a video on that soon. So yeah, see you guys next time. Okay guys, so today I'm going to do a like soft, glowy makeup look. And I don't know. I'm just like also going to do like a chit chat. So I'm going to just use a Milk Makeup Blur Stick. Let's film another video on like how I did my baby hair. So right after that. And yeah, everyone's been requesting more makeup looks, so I'm gonna get to doing those. And I miss doing my like creative ones. I just don't really like, I don't have time to be doing that in college, like the creative ones, because I have to actually go out and like, I don't know, just kind of, I don't like when people just look at me like, or like just, I don't know, I'm kind of shy, so like I don't really want all the attention on me because like I have bold like eyes or whatever, dramatic like makeup. So yes, but I'm going to do like a soft glowy one today. So yeah, I'm going to take the LA Girl Pro Concealer, and this one's in Beautiful Bronze. I'm going to just put that on my eyes. I already have like eyelashes with this one. These are from AliExpress because I filmed a video and I just didn't want to look so busted, so I put on the eyelashes. That's the truth. So yeah, but yeah, semester's ending and stuff, but this is tomorrow. I have a final, my last final, and then I have a paper due the next day. Like, I'm just studying both of those things. Like, I really just don't want to do it. We just study for the final today. And yeah, so I can get a good grade. But I'm just kind of over college already. Lost motivation to do most things. I don't know why. Maybe the summer break will just like help with that. Because like I know I really want an education, like a degree. Just, I think it's cool to have, and like it's good to have like a good experience and stuff, but like I don't know, I'm not really getting the best out of my college experience, which I should try to. Now I'm gonna take one of these dress up brushes and just like a concealer brush, and I'm gonna go in and just blend out the concealer. Yeah, so I did my eyebrows and my eyelashes already, but I want to get more out of my college experience, which I feel like I'm not doing. But like also I want to also pursue like YouTube and all this other stuff and like social media and stuff, so it's really hard to like do both. Like, I'm just kind of like I don't know what to do. I wish I had like some guidance. Like I want to know people that are doing the same thing that I'm doing, like how are they doing it and like how they stay motivated, all that type of stuff. Right now I'm going to go into my Too Faced Sweet Peach palette, and the shades I'm going to be taking are these two. I'm literally going to stay in that same shade, just so like I'm first going to take the pure one, the browner one, and just pop that right into my crease. Yeah. Just let me know what else you guys want to see from me. I know you guys did makeup tutorials, so I'm going to do that. I'm trying to do more into like hair and stuff. So yeah, I'm trying to learn how to do it to the best of my ability, so you guys can learn with me, basically. Yeah, it's just like a lot of stress and stuff, but I'm really excited because I hit 10K on Instagram, so I'm like really excited because like I worked really hard. It's like when you work hard and like what you do just starts to pay off, it just gets so exciting. The feeling is just, I think it's like kind of unmatched. Also, like, does anyone else get the feeling of like when they're doing something and it's just really hard, like for example, if I'm like doing if I'm not doing anything, if I like, take a chill day, I just feel like I'm wasting time, like I'm like, what am I doing? Like why did you waste a whole day? Like why did you just do nothing today? Like the time is like valuable. I just do that, feel like that a lot, and that makes me really sad. Like it just makes me more sad. It makes me not want to do anything anymore still. So I don't know why I do that to myself, but I don't know. I just don't really like taking off days. Like I feel like I'm doing a disservice to myself in the long run. Yeah, I'm gonna mix these two foundations, the Fenty Beauty foundation, and this is the Too Faced Born This Way foundation. Fenty Beauty is in 470, and Born This Way is in Cocoa. So the Born This Way is like way more glowy, and the Fenty Beauty one is like really long lasting and matte. Okay, mix them, and then I'm gonna mix it around with this Morphe M439 brush. This is like probably the best brush to apply foundation and stuff. This is a lot. This is enough for my whole face, and I have way more on my hand right now. But yeah, just a lot. It looks a little red. I'm excited for summertime because I'm gonna stay here in LA in the summer. I got a job on campus, so I'm gonna be working here, and the job will give you free housing here, so that's why I want to stay here. Yeah, so I can do like a lot of things. Like I can make more connections in LA because there's always something to do in LA. Like there's always something going on. Wow, why does this look so orange today? I feel like on other days it doesn't look. What? Maybe it always looks like this and I'm just tripping. It really looks orange, and I've been looking orange this whole time and no one told me. Okay, I'm gonna take my Tarte concealer. This one is in Deep, and then this one, ColourPop concealer, is in Dark 48. So I'm gonna take the Tarte one first. I need to go makeup shopping to get new makeup. This Tarte thing is almost gone. I really like this shade. Like I like the shade from my under eye. So I don't know, but you know, I don't really want to support Tarte that doesn't support, not really support me, you know. I'm gonna take my Rose Technique sponge and just blend it out. And then also I'm gonna try like new hair looks. I just like switching up my look kind of. Like, I just really like to do that. I don't know why. I just get bored really easily. Wow, I kind of missed this Tarte one. Whoa. Like I want to try the Fenty Beauty setting powders and stuff like that. I'm gonna try a lot of new makeup, but makeup just is so expensive, you know. I'm gonna take my Laura Mercier translucent powder and just set those faces. But school's almost over, so I just need to grind it out, like, you know, stick it out and just finish. My skin has been breaking out. I don't know why, because I'm eating really bad. But I just don't know, like, I don't want it to break out. Let me eat what I want to eat. I also have like been gaining weight, so I'm gonna be like, because I used to play like tennis a lot, and then I don't play tennis at all anymore. So yeah, I did like work out so much. Like it's not like I'm like, you know, thick, but it's just like I know I'm gaining weight. So I need to do something about it. Okay, I'm gonna go in with this powder brush and take this NYX No Filter powder, and this one is in Mahogany, and I'm just gonna go over like, basically everywhere. Yep, I don't think I'm gonna do it straight today. I'm gonna crimp my hair because I just really want these like long crimps. Like look how long my hair is. Like, can you see? They're so long. But yeah, I want it to be like long, crimpy type, you know? Serving, yes, looks. So yeah, I'm gonna go in with my True Complexion Black Radiance powder, and this one is the Sculpt one, the middle one. And then I'm just gonna go in and bronze my face. Oh, and this brush is from e.l.f. It's a highlighter brush. It's called a highlighting brush, but I use this to bronze and like contour and stuff. And I'm gonna go in with my Stila Deep. This one is in Deep. It's a Shape and Shade Custom Contour Duo. And it's just like the darker shades. And I'm gonna go in and contour my nose. You guys, I'm also so excited because, okay, I wasn't any new clothes because I feel like my fashion just been like slacking a little bit, you know, and I'm kind of a fashion girl, so that can't happen. So I bought new clothes, and like I like to shop from smaller designers, like not designer, because like I don't really care for designer, but like small designers, like black owned designers, like for example like Matt Brand or Rick's Workshop, like they're kind of smaller designers, or like, you know what I'm saying? Yes. And I don't really want to I want to stop doing like fast fashion stuff, even though like that's more affordable. It's just like, do I really want to support them? That's the question. And sometimes the answer is no. I don't know what's up with you guys in saying that I look like people, because I don't. Like, every one of the people say that I look like, except for one person, I was like, oh, okay, I can kind of see. But on Instagram, so many times they're like, oh, you guys are twins. No, we're not. We don't look anything alike. It's not like saying, oh, they're ugly or anything. Like, no. Just like, what? Like, they like to say every dark skin person looks like each other. I don't look like anyone but Dallas. Okay? Thank you. Okay, I'm gonna go on my lip liner. This is the, my hair is getting on it. The, NK lip liner in Cocoa. Okay, I'm gonna take this Milani liquid lipstick, and this is in Covet. I'm gonna go in with this Anastasia liquid lipstick in Strips. So I thought I was talking to my camera, but I didn't push the record button. So, but yeah, I'm just applying highlighter, and this is Precious Petals by Wet n Wild with my Morphe M510 brush. I thought I wanted this to be a glowy look, but I wanted it to be like kind of like a soft matte look. So then I'm gonna go in and put the same highlighter, and I'm gonna put it in my inner corner. I like it. I'm not used to like the matte look, the matte lips. I feel like I'm missing something. But it's okay. It's okay. It's not, I'm not missing anything. It's just that I'm not used to it. Because I'm always doing gloss now. But like, yes, I like this soft matte look. I don't know, I'm excited. Are you guys? Okay, so thank you guys for watching this video. Please like, comment, subscribe. Tell me what you want to see. Follow me on all my social media links, especially on Instagram, because we're 10K strong. I'm lit. Okay, so yeah, and I'm also going to do an updated video on how to take my Instagram pictures, because a lot of people have been asked for that. So yes, I also have one on my channel, and nothing has really changed at all. So maybe you guys want to look at that one first, and then I can make a new one. But yeah, so I want to see you guys next time. Peace.